Welcome to LIHA, a Sephardic yeshiva located in the heart of Great Neck. Incepted in 1998 with one mission in mind, to provide a Jewish education to all children. A school that began with just an early childhood program and has now grown to 8th grade. LIHA is founded on the principles of Torah values, academic excellence, and the love of Israel. Our school is a wonderful place of warmth, growth, and an environment that focuses on our students reaching their academic success. From early childhood to middle school, our program is geared towards providing our students with a balanced environment where they can grow academically, socially, and cognitively to reach their true potential. This enables our students to become confident, lifelong learners, leaders, and productive citizens of the world.
'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
We place a strong emphasis on tefillah. Our children already begin learning tefillah in our toddler program, and they increase their knowledge every year step by step until they master it by the 8th grade. The sounds of children passionately singing Birkat HaMazon can be heard all throughout the hallways of LIHA. By 5th grade, our Talmidim and Talmidot are already reciting Mincha every day. We encourage our Talmidim to develop a love for Torah learning by challenging them each year with new goals in their Torah studies, such as reciting the Shema with Ta'amei HaMikra, or learning and memorizing full Mishnayot even before they reach the 5th grade. The kids are excited to engage in these challenges, and they put forth their very best efforts.
Run away to a world that we desire.